Well, I am at French Prairie Gardens with Stacy. And Stacy, this is the kickoff weekend for Berries, Brews and BBQ. How much fun.
Yes, we're so excited. We're in our 10th year this year, and we're just so ready for lots of fun.
Yeah, so this is my favorite part, is the berries.
Oh, yes, yeah. So this weekend will be a great weekend to come and pick strawberries. They're just finally all starting, and it's going to be great. We have you-pick strawberries.
Fun.
You can fill up a bucket, bring the family, take a tractor wagon ride out to the field, do lots of fun activities, and of course, we have beer and cider available, and lots of barbecue.
And lots of beer. I know that, you want to come for strawberries, but how many taps you got?
We have over 20 different ciders and beers available,
Wow.
and we have 13 different breweries and cideries that are participating this year.
That is amazing, and the food is always so wonderful.
Oh yeah, we have all different kinds of barbecue. We have a barbecue plate. We also have pit chicken available, and of course those goodies from the bakery.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yes, yeah, lots of strawberry shortcake and all sorts of goodies.
Yummy. And then what's new this year?
So this year we're going to do a benefit concert on the Saturday of Father's Day weekend, and it's great because it helps a cause that's near and dear to our hearts, M's Fight Foundation, which was formed in memory of my sister that passed away, and we help local people fighting cancer. So we are partnering with Silver Moon Brewing and their F Cancer IPA, and we just want to celebrate everybody who's doing the fight and benefit everybody.
It's such a fun event, but you're really helping a lot of people.
Oh yeah, the whole festival actually raises money for the foundation. A portion of the proceeds goes towards the foundation, all of our beer sales. So if you can't make it for the benefit concert, feel free to come anytime, have a beer and cider, and you're helping.
Oh, that is great. And so tell us again about the dates.
Yes, it's this weekend, so June 1st and 2nd, and then the 8th and 9th next weekend, and then Father's Day weekend, the 15th and 16th.
Oh, and I forgot, camping.
Oh yes, we're having camping this year. It's going to be great. It's along with our benefit concerts. You can come in on Friday, you can spend all weekend with Dad, and you can camp on the farm and come in and enjoy all the fun festivities that we have going on at the festival.
Oh my gosh, there's just so much to do. So if you have any more questions, go to our website. We'll click you over to their website or their Facebook page and really kind of come out with the whole family and support M's Fight Foundation and just have a great time. Thanks so much.
Yep, thanks Judy.